Or a you. Can I get an Ohio-style burger? Make it extra is full, and add extra is sauce. Can you also put Swiss cheese on it? I want the Hustlers University and the Take Funko Pop toy too. Add 2 Grimace shakes to that order please. Oh, and can you cook the patty the Yoki way? Thank you.
What now? A really good way to start stream, huh? Welcome on in, everyone. So, how is everyone doing today? I don't know what you're talking about. Tables redeemed Texas bitch. Can I get an Ohio-style burger? Make it extra blissful. Don't know what you're talking about. For shame. For shame. Golly. But yeah, welcome on in, everyone. Trying to see if everything is working correctly. Because I don't know if... Okay. Yeah. Oh. What the fuck is this unlocked? Okay. I don't know why my model unlocked. Okay, that's fun. But yeah, today I don't have much to report on. We kind of reported on every fuck up possible yesterday, so yeah. Today it's just game dev, I think. Unless anyone wants to sidetrack me with the other ideas. Do you like kombucha? Sorta. I haven't had like actual homemade kombucha. I've only had from a can and it was fine, I guess. This is like
kombucha mouth on these nuts.
I knew I was going to regret it yesterday, and yeah, my point proven. Okay. For God's sake, tips. For God's sake. Let me just adjust the camera a bit. Okay, that should be better. Oops, nope. Needs to be higher. Okay. Now it should be better. Okay, yeah. Now that's better. But yeah, today was basically a mild day, I guess. Did work, did my first ever release at work. Was a bit stressful, not gonna lie. First releases are always stressful because you're trying to get in the flow of release. So yeah, in the afternoon I basically watched Rabor Pantera And yeah, her stream was fun. I basically died laughing the whole like an hour and 30, I think. Have you seen that Willia released today? Ah, almost got me there. No, I'm not falling for it twice in a row. Uh, for God's sake. But yeah, essentially, Rawara Pantera streamed Plug and Play, and yeah, it's my neighbor's dog. She likes to bark a lot, so yeah. But yeah, she was playing Plug and Play, and it was a joyful experience to watch. I think I have a clip here from her being chaotic, if anyone wants it. That was fun. But yeah, besides that, I think I mostly watched some Fuamoko because, yeah, they're my Yoshis, so I'm gonna watch them. And basically some anime. Do you have any CDs? I do have. Ah! You're gonna do a These Nuts joke again. I'm on to you. I know your game. Yep, knew it. Golly. I have to keep an eye on you all the time, for God's sake. Always trying These Nuts jokes. Uh, yeah, besides that, I didn't do much besides work. I did the teaming system. It's kind of working. You can see that now the seams in their files have the previews of the images, which is amazing. This helps a lot because before I couldn't basically know what was what. And now if I basically go in here and pause, go back to team manager and say next theme. Sometimes I have to play 2 times, and yeah, basically it now changes theme. Have you played the physics desktop game from yesterday? I haven't yet. No, I need to play it in the weekend. I might boot up a virtual machine just so it doesn't like start messing up my resources on the main computer. It's not in this case a security thing. It's more of a I kind of want it a bit more contained in terms of what it consumes, just so it doesn't crash the PC. So yeah, I might do that. But yeah, I haven't done much today. The only things I've done is I wish I had a dessert at hand. But why? Do you need a sweet? Wait. Suspicious. I want to eat something sweet. Okay, this time it wasn't suspicious. Okay, fair enough. Honestly, I don't have anything here. Tulip ate all the strawberry shortcake and Daisy ate all the mango pudding, so I'm fresh out of sweets. Yeah. Blame these two. But yeah, honestly, today was one of those days where I'm basically in low power, so at most I did this work and I concocted some ideas, but they aren't going anywhere, I think. Because I've seen a lot of people still trying to push for an alternative to YouTube. And I was like, okay, fair enough. Let me run the numbers, run everything, see if there's a slight 0.99999% chance of something being possible. There kinda is a question mark, because yeah, there's a lot of issues with the infrastructure and its costs. You can make an infrastructure for a demo at like 200 a month with good encoding, decoding, and storage, but that's gonna have a cost. So yeah. Not to mention the hours of dev time and everything like that. So yeah. At least with me, that's not gonna be possible. I can do a small demo to prove the idea, but yeah, besides that, I don't have anything else. The other idea I had was like I wouldn't say an aggregator, but something where you basically could register a YouTube channel and a Twitch channel, and it would essentially, how should I say it, query the APIs, or in this case the pub subs, for when a person goes live on either YouTube or Twitch, when the video is posted, the short is posted, basically aggregate everything into a simple to use front end that enables discovery at a better level, and allows you to follow creators, receive notifications for everything essentially. So if YouTube and Twitch had a child, basically, a bit more optimized maybe, and with YouTube theater mode actually being something useful. But yeah, that's still in the back burner. It's kind of decent idea. Just I don't know when I'd ever do it. But yeah. Also, is the YouTube stream working? Let me see.
Man, I could go for some pudding.
You could go for some pudding. Okay. Fair enough. I still need to start on that Tetris game. You should. Yeah, the stream is live. Don't tell me YouTube has been fucking around with discovery
Putting these
again.
nuts in your mouth, that is.
Oh, for God's sake. I can't... Yeah. I can't let one pass by me. Holy. Golly. I really need to stay on alert at all times, apparently. But yeah. What do we have to do today? So, I can continue working on this, but like a really relaxed pace. Because I'm really low powered, so at most I'm a yapping machine that does no work. That's basically it. Because, yeah, I kinda didn't sleep well, so my my energy is a bit everywhere, and with the whole work thing, yeah. Trust me, took me all that I had to get out of the sofa that I have here in the studio. Cause yeah, holy, that sofa is a menace. If I'm not careful, I'm gonna fall asleep there someday. Cause yeah. But yeah, let me start working on this before I start to essentially fall asleep. Let me see. So, a few of the things we wanted to implement was something like having a window. Not this. Give me a second. My mind needs to kind of settle down. Want to play Binding of Isaac? Sure, we could try that. Haven't played in ages. But yeah, sounds fun. Oh, also, I've found a new kind of guild to join regarding VTubers. And yeah, it's really amazing. And the creators or the staff of the guild kind of do a lot of basically workshops to teach how to improve your channel basically in every aspect, like thumbnails, video concepts, everything like that. Yeah, I'm honestly enjoying. I joined yesterday, and yeah, I've learned a few things already. Though I need to start noting it down. I have some free time next week. Okay, we can try to see about that. Yeah. Let's see. So, what I want to implement is instead of this, I want to make. Give me a second. UI image. You extend over everything. You most of the A side characters unlocked. Nope. I haven't played like 20 minutes, I think. I don't have much unlocked. Let me see. Binding of Isaac, do I have it installed? I don't. Didn't I install it yesterday? Apparently not. 24 minutes. You're a bit in mom's heart at least. I've unlocked a new item. You can see here. I have only one achievement. Yeah, I haven't. Yeah. There are a lot of games that I have that I haven't played much. You know, we beat one boss yet. Yep. I need to start getting through my library. Can't even make it. These nut jokes. Don't have the right character. Womp womp. Let me see, where was I? I think it's 7. It should be. Should be 7. Okay, it's 6. Yeah. It's this one. Sliced, you need to be 32. Okay, this acts as sort of an overlay. Let me see. This can be here, so that I can have this.
676766767676767676767.
You know what I said to that? Rokunana. I need to add a soundboard of Fubuki Senpai doing the Rokunana. That's my favorite sound. Let's see. This is going to be the. I can call it the title screen technically. Title screen. Okay. Also, you misspelled 7 in the last word. Sven. 7. 7. 7. Yeah. Let me see. So, I keep getting sidetracked. Ain't nowhere there's a. I see what you did there. You put what's it called? For God's sake, I know that it's a mathematical term. Hey, little guy mod, welcome on in. Yeah, if you search 6-7 on Google, it does the meme. I think I have already seen that one. For God's sake, oh, why isn't my Google in Portuguese? Why is my search or the AI overview in Portuguese when the rest is all in English? Did I ask you for Portuguese? I did not, right? For God's sake. Oh no. Womp womp. Ha! Failed. Let me see, where was I? Okay, I wanted to create this. Let me see how I have it there. Okay. By the way, are you using Unity? Because like the thumbnails has Godot. Yeah, I forgot to change to have Unity, or at least remove the Godot from there. Because, yeah, we have been building a lot of games lately. And this dummy over here kind of forgets to change the thumbnails. Yeah, I'm a dum-dum. Let me see. Create empty. I want something like this is gonna be a vertical layout group. This is gonna be a horizontal. And you're gonna basically be not first expand. Should be to middle left. And the height should be expanded. Tabs. Don't start with the Rokunana. Okay. No, this is Unity, yeah. One of my games is made in Unity, so yeah, I'm trying to keep it for now like this. Control child size, yes.
6767667676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767
Can you stop that? Thank you. And yes, that's a toggle I have. Oh no.
676766767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767+7.
You're trying to get the character limit. Fair enough. For God's sake, tips. For God's sake. Oh no. Don't you dare corrupt my child. Don't you even dare. What the heck is that?
What did you say, Dad? I think my ears are playing tricks on me.
It wasn't me.
I told you to double check the integration.
For God's sake. They still don't know who is talking to them for some reason. I thought I'd fix this bug.
Oh, is
not.
that supposed to be a joke? I was just saying the server's been acting funny all day.
I kinda need to switch up their model, don't I? Yippee. By the way, I have a question. What's the reason you choose Unity? Also, what's going on? What's going on is my moderator on Twitch is basically spamming the redeems. So yeah, chaos ensues. As for Unity, back when I did this game, I wasn't as proficient with Godot. So essentially I picked Unity because it was for a game jam.
Picking Pippa.
Why Pippa? But yeah, essentially, since it was for a game jam, I needed something fast, so I went with Unity and basically concocted this game in its glorious essence. So yeah, ever since then, like, people have been saying to me, you should publish this on mobile. It would be fun to play this on the mobile, and yeah, like a month ago or so, I said, okay, time to basically shoot my shot with this game. Let's make it a mobile game and also have a desktop version. And yeah, I've been working on that. Still a bit close, still a bit far from ready. Doesn't even have bosses or anything like that, just killing viruses that pop up in waves. Yeah, I know you can make announcements, Dibs. That has been a feature for over a year, I think. Has it been more? I don't remember when they introduced announcements. But yeah, that's the thing. To be honest, porting to mobile will be hell. You need at least 8 gigabytes of RAM, hell 16 maybe, on my dev build or on my on my mobile phone. Because I've been using a what's it called? Aya Neo Pocket Air Mini to test for Android. It has 3 gigabytes of memory, and yeah, it's been fun. Honestly, it kind of holds pretty well, honestly, since the resources aren't like, how should I say it? Basically, it's not very resource heavy as I have it right now. Android Studio. Oh, yeah. Let me show you something. This. Yeah, that's not a worry for me. Let me just minimize this a bit. Okay, now you guys can see. Yeah, I have 64 gigabytes, so I'm not worried. I can run Android Studio and everything else without any issues. Just not advised to build while I'm live, because the encoders might start overloading. But yeah, besides that, I'd say, yeah. Basically, I got this PC before the whole thing with memory prices. So yeah, it was kind of cheaper back then. Good choice I made to go with 64 gigabytes. Be right back, I'm going to do the Wordle. For God's sake, today's Wordle was also quite the thing. I had quite the difficulty to do it. Let me see, so this is a sidebar. Not midnight yet. Yeah. 1 minute remaining. So let me see. I want to build a button for this. Here. Okay, we have this button. It's gonna be the play button. I need to then configure everything. So this is what starts the round instead of what we had. Let me see. This play button, I kind of wanted it to be with a bit more margin to it. Can I do it? But yeah, that's an issue with this. I can make an object that basically acts as an empty parent for this. Then all you need to do is this. Okay. Then I can basically do this and align center. What was the button? Was it this one? Yeah, it's this one. Just say stretch. Okay, then we have this little thing here. And yeah, now this is the one that expands. And I don't have to worry about this one like seeming a bit off per se. I can add something like Barry antivirus here, but for now let's keep it like this and I'll see about it. Let's add another new button. This one will be more in the style of, where is it? Start panel. Would be something like maybe the restart game. Okay, you should be instead of this. Okay. Why is your size like so? Okay. Right. Don't expand on height. Spacing 20. And that might be a bit too much. 10. Okay. But to be honest, I used Unity before. I like it. But to be honest, I'm more into customizations like it seems and a lot of open source. So I moved to Godot. to be honest, I could help you giving like, I don't know, tips since I used Unity for a year. Yeah, don't worry about that. I think I've been using Unity for what's it been? 9 years already, I think. I think the first version I used was like 2017.1? 6, 7. You made me say it. God damn you, Waypock. Damn, you're old. My lead moderator, everyone, likes to bully me about my age.
6767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676
7. Back with Unity 2017, if I'm not mistaken. Might have even been Unity 5. Because at a given time, I think I used Unity 5 LTS when I was beginning to learn. Oh no. What's gonna come from here? Give me a second. Oh, for God's sake. You are a curse. I'm joking. But yeah. I basically know my ins and outs with the engine, so I'm not worried on that aspect. I'm just worried on the aspect that, yeah, I need to get games done. Because I've been sleeping on so many of my projects that it's not even funny anymore. I need to start doing, and yeah, bless most of the time. Let's see. Here, let me put. It might be too much. Let's make it like stick to the border. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay, it needs to be 10. That's as close to the border as we can get. Okay, this would be something like shop. Why does it do that? I might make his game to Steam at this point. Ouch. Being called Unk. Holy. But yeah, one of the goals would be to release to Steam eventually. Eventually. Not now. Someday. I already have Google Play ready to go. We will just need to do internal testing. But yeah, besides that, essentially, I don't think anything else. Just itch, because it's where the game is currently. Let me just do this. Why can I do that? You should be. I did this the other way around. Oh wait, no. Actually, I didn't. You. Control child size, yeah. It's in width, so I don't know. Might be some screwy bug with this. You. I'm gonna make you expand. Huh? Right. I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna let Epoch torture you from now on. No. Just go in here and click this and center. Rokunana. What's with you guys in the 6-7 today? I don't get it. I honestly don't get it. Might be too much of a nunk. Let me see. I want to increase the size maybe. 26 might be a good size. And for you, 32. 32, change to this font. Need to make, I can mod APOC. I have the power. You do have the power. And I can't stop you. Huh? Huh? Do as you wish. I can also time out. Indeed you can. Oh no. APOC has been given power. This can be bad. Let me see. Oh no. Oh no. So this shop button. Do I have the leaderboard button? I do. Okay. Gonna add this button here and remove the image. Do exactly the same. Oh god. What does this do? Game manager. Can I access leaderboard from here? I can't. Alrighty. How does leaderboard work? Okay, you do it like that. That makes a lot of sense. Gonna clone this button. Base component values. Okay, now you are the leaderboard button. Leaderboard. Okay. Let me just switch the... Okay. Then we have another one that's going to be on like cosmetics, kind of. Let's call it appearance. Or customization maybe. Okay. Have customization. What else did I gonna note down? Account. What's that at the bottom? Oh, it's the leaderboard. Okay. Yeah. APOC to remove this moderator. You had enough fun. This is fun. For God's sake, guys. Yeah, besides this, I think I don't want to add any more buttons right now. I want to do this one, because, yeah, this silly guy forgot this button was a thing to do. So, let me see. Let me open the other theme. Where is it? Doors 96. Okay, we have a lot of space to work with here. So, let's make something. I'm gonna grab this button and let's make it a tiny bit different. Let me see if I want to replicate like so. And where's the other one? Okay, it's here. I think this is more or less on the center. Yeah, does seem like it. You are off by a tiny bit. Yeah, now we're fine. So if I start doing this, like so. Yeah. Okay, we have like 3 of these. That's fine. Then we just stretch this here. Let's make the button like so. And let's start adding some shading to it. So if I do this, then grab the other color. Okay, we have something. does seem like a good button. By the way, are you using Pro Personal? Personal, yeah. I'm not gonna waste my money on Unity. I still need to start working on something, otherwise the bad thoughts start moving in and they never pay rent. Yeah, those kind of live rent-free. Yeah. You do have the Tetris idea. That is really good. You should work on that. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. But yeah. I'd say... I shouldn't I? You're the one that is in charge, technically. Let me see. What color goes well with purple? Orange, right? I think orange can work here. Like, this gonna kind of look like a League of Legends icon or the play button back in the day. Let me see. This here, I think it might be a bit too bright. Green, but green is already for the main one. So I don't know. Let's see, this one here also needs it, and this pixel here. I don't know about the orange, honestly. The green might actually... Do I keep the green for most teams? Ah, well, I'll keep it for now, and if the need arises later, I'll eventually change it. You open for me the seam. I need to add a new sprite. I need a play button. Okay, and in the seamable component, I'm gonna add a new to the enum called play button. And when it's in this case, I am EP. So am I, my friend, so am I. Play button. And you. Play button. Okay. Now I just need to configure on the sprite editor. And we should be fine. Apologies. I was gonna lie, I like devs that don't at least put stuff from the store into their game. I think 99% of the things in this game were made by me, if I'm not mistaken. Though, don't quote me on that. I have imported some stuff, but it's mostly libraries to do with mobile, I think. Let me see. Okay, now I have this. I'm gonna do sprite editor, and we're gonna add the button here. Okay, would be good if this would follow the mouse, wouldn't it? Okay. Tiny bit off the screen. Ah, there we go. Okay. Oops. Okay, that's one. Let me try to do something. So this is 3 pixels. Should be 3, 3, 3. Yeah, that kind of seems fine. Yeah, seems fine. You're gonna be seam 8. How do you look? 16. Maybe a tiny bit more. How does 32? how about in the middle? 24. Yeah, kind of looks better. I'll give it that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna then place this in bold. I'm gonna do white. Okay, it's gaining shape. I like it. Let me do something. Let's put 2 pixels between everything. And with you, I'm gonna do a simple trick that's expanding the height, but not your height. You still need to be at the center. Okay. You should expand on all. And yeah, that kind of looks a bit better. Just a simple hack to pull this off. But yeah, besides that, I'd say we're fine. Now I just need to properly set up the seam. Let me go back here and say switch to sprite editor extensions, copy the slices. This is a custom tool I basically made today to allow me to just copy the slices and paste them. So if I'm not mistaken now, I should have, yeah, now the slices work correctly. Yeah, I just need to edit in one and then copy paste to the others with these 2 buttons. Made my life easier. But yeah, now essentially I just need to go into the seams and say seam underscore 8. This is doors 96. That is correct. And seam underscore 8. This is doors XD. Okay. We have something. Meanwhile, we are an hour in, and this is all I've done. Let me see. Do I want to add like a panel texture to this? Let's see how it looks. I'm gonna add an image to this. Oh, that's an issue. Yeah. Give me a second and I'll fix it. Seam. What was it? Is it 5 or is it 1? Okay, I'm gonna guess it's 5. And from 5 I need to do like 32. Maybe 16. Okay, now that has a visible border. It's what I wanted. And let's start kind of dragging this to fit. So that should be 10. That should be 10 from the top. Should be more or less like that. Let's say 50. Let's not risk it. And from the bottom, is it 10? 15. Honestly, yeah, it kind of fits. Does give that sort of Windows 95 aesthetic, which was my main goal. Let's make it so. Maybe 8.8. Why only that one? Why do these buttons not reflect this? Okay, that's weird. Be something with the TMP. If I do that now, it kind of works. Weird. But yeah, it's working. Okay, now we have the tabs. We just need to basically assign this fill area here. But first, let me go onto each button And let me see, do they have themable component? They have. Great. You are also gonna have themable component, and you're gonna be the play button. Drag this, save. Sidebar, you are a themable component of type panel. Did I name it taskbar? Must have been. Yeah, taskbar. Okay, that makes sense. And pass in the image just in case. Okay, let's test it out. Give it a second. Okay, we have this. If I go into Scene Manager and say next theme twice, did it not change? Without cast. Give me a second. Update components list. Okay, now you have the components. I don't understand what happened. Ain't got a clue. Give it a second to properly build. Okay, there it goes. Next theme. Yeah, it's changed. Just the buttons are having some glitchy effects, and for some reason the window. Why is the... Oh, I know why. Give it a second because it's lagging a bit. Title screen. You need to be a themable component. That's why. You need to be window background. Give it a second. Yeah, okay, there we go. I do themable, theme manager, yeah. It didn't change. But, oh, silly goose. I forgot to do the update. Silly me. Give it a second. Okay. Yeah, now it changed correctly. That's basically it. But yeah, now we kind of see something completely different except the buttons. I kind of need to fix the buttons for some reason. Save project. Let me see how it's in Doors XD. Where do you have the button? Oh, you have it here. Yeah, the button is fine. Should be a white texture. Why don't you change? Oh, for God's sake, I'm dumb, aren't I? Let me go check something. You are using themable component, aren't you? Yeah. This dumb skull over here forgot to include the button here. That's why it's not working. It's not included as in the switch case. So it does nothing. Ain't that fun? Okay, now it should work. Supposedly. By the way, I have a question. You will make music for the game or someone else will? I don't remember how it was for the music. Good question. Did I make the music for this one? Electronic Techno Soundtrack Theme 1. I might have gotten this from somewhere. I don't remember where. Show in Explorer. Do I have... Okay, did I make this in Music Maker or... I don't remember how I did this. Where I got it, I don't remember. But I think I'm gonna try to make them with Music Maker or something like that, or pay someone to do it. I need to think about it, honestly. But the goal would be for me to also make the music. Let's see. Okay. There we go. Next theme. Okay, now it switches. Only issue is the text color. And me no like that. So, what I'm gonna do is, instead of you being like that, I'm gonna make you basically this color. And maybe add small border. Why are you bugged out? Okay. Like so. You, and you. Okay, ad break will start soon. Okay, as soon as the ad break hits, I'm gonna essentially pause the stream for a bit and go eat something and yeah, stretch my legs a bit. Let's just wait for the ad break to start. Okay, ad start in 20 seconds. All right, sounds good. Okay, EU. Next team, next team. Okay, that looks a bit better. And it's starting in 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. I'm gonna stop that. Okay, I'm gonna basically stretch my legs and eat something. I'll be right back. I'm gonna leave you guys with music. So yeah, be right back. Excuse me. But yeah, let's continue working on this. Let me see. What do we have to do? I think now it's basically coding the functionality itself. Let me see. I need to find a way to essentially first stop in the game manager everything. Where's the part where it essentially starts the game? Stopwatch, start game. Okay, here. I'm gonna take you out for now. Thank you. Let me see. Gonna want to create a new function that's basically gonna be tied to this. But for that, I first need to do the title screen instance, which is gonna be, I won't say it's in core, so let's make it in UI. It's gonna be the title screen. Title screen. Public instance behavior. Title screen. Exactly. Let's see. What do I want to do with you? I want to declare. Yeah, to declare that you're gonna have a panel. Game object is gonna be panel. Not serialized interface, serialized field. That's something else. I think for now that's gonna be it. Wait. Name. Nah. Public void open. This could just be set active true. Public void close. Let's set active false. Void is active. Not public void, public bool is open. Active self. Okay. That should be fine. And you're gonna be the title screen button class. Actually, it can just be a mono behavior, so you don't spaz out with the already created buttons. Okay, I'm gonna define a public enum title button type play score customization leaderboard. Okay, void on click, and I'm also gonna do a start, override the start, or in this case just use the start because it's basically an abstract. And I'm gonna say this dot get component. Actually, no, never mind. I'm not gonna hook into it from here. I'm gonna manually assign it. Okay, switch Let's go to private. Screen button type. Type. Case. Screen button type customization. Wait. Case. Screen button play. We're gonna do two things. Game manager. Wait, first maybe the title screen instance dot close, and then game manager dot start game break. Default is gonna be break. I'm gonna remove this for now. I just want to map the play button for now. So yeah. Okay. Now to start, you're gonna be the one that's gonna have the title screen script. Why can I not see it? Unity extension does not exist. Why do you need Unity extensions? You don't. Okay, must have been something I did. It's fixed. A second. Oh, for God's sake. It keeps doing this crap. Okay, I was wondering why the music sort of stopped. And it reset where I had. Okay, shuffle play. Okay. Let's see, so the panel is this one. Okay. And the play button is this. It's gonna be a title screen button. Type play. And if I did everything correctly, it should now work. Let's see. I also might do a button for the how to play and move around this tutorial thing. But yeah. No, it doesn't work here. Okay, let me do some stuff. Give me a second. Had something stuck in my throat. It's gone. Golly. Okay, so let's map this properly. I'm gonna need two new buttons. One is gonna be the home. We're gonna go in here and say home. And the other is gonna be the tutorial. Okay. For now, where is the tutorial? I actually might have it being called in the game manager. What I'm remembering. Let me see, how do you work? Actually, it doesn't. Huh. That's weird. So, where does it spawn from? Canvas. Okay, must be... No, that's the default background. Tutorial. Where art thou? I don't see it. Oh, tutorial screen. There you are. Okay, you must be called from somewhere. Is it the HUD manager? Yeah, the HUD manager is setting to active. That's why. Okay, that kind of makes sense. I'll eventually take care of the HUD manager. It kind of will need some heavy changes. Okay, what the heck? You all saw that, right? I don't know what happened. Okay. I think for now I can just go in here and say give it a second. Okay, if I click on the play button. Oh, silly goose. I didn't. Yeah. I'm just gonna do the mapping from here because I'm almost certainly going to forget every single time. So yeah, I'm just gonna map it automatically from here. Bar button, get component button. If button is not null, did I import? Yeah, imported the correct one. Button dot.
Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be.
Yes, Mr. Tibbs. What dost thou wish? Plus equals on click. Do you have? Yeah, button click event. Oh, you need to be added as a listener. I think that's how you do it, yeah. I can't sleep. Damn. Do you want to count sheep? 1 sheep. Ha ha ha. 2 sheep. Ha ha ha. 3 sheep. Ha ha ha. Sorry, I'll stop that. Not many will get the reference. Okay, it's starting. Did I manage to make this work? Yep, it works. Okay, we now have a better, like, screen. Per se. I'm a sheep a bomber. No you won't. Wait, let me do something. And Automod didn't flag that because you're a moderator. Automod has nothing on you. That's the thing. Dibs fall asleep. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna You're trying to get flagged by Twitch, aren't you?
Got it, Dad. Let's make sure Tibbs is comfy and cozy.
Just that? Where's the chaos I raised you on? Kids these days, they don't learn. Where was I? Oh, yeah. Well, let me see. Why
1
did I
sheep,
switch to Portuguese?
2 sheep, 3 sheep, 4 sheep, 5 sheep, 6, 7 sheep.
Golly. No. Let me see. This, I'm gonna create an empty that's gonna essentially be the content. No. 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 Not the cursed number. see. Something like this. Why do you not? Why do you? That's weird. Let me create like another empty that's gonna expand. It's gonna be called the home. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Okay, we need 5. I'm gonna go here and say realize field private theme object home panel 2, 3, 4, 5 tutorial. What's the others? Shop leaderboard customization. Okay. Shop leaderboard customization. Okay, I'm gonna go into the editor. No, into the UI. And I'm gonna say to create.
Ashe tilde a ring a diaresis.
Who made you like this? Create it as a type. What do I want to make? Title screen. Content panel. It's gonna be public. And you're gonna be like this. It's a mono behavior.
A tilde, a ring, a diaresis.
Public virtual void. Open. Okay, it's gonna do nothing. Public virtual void close. Just in case. I don't think that's how you read those. I really don't know. Okay. Then let me add a new folder. Okay. The new folder is gonna be trying to think. Give me a second. Screen panels, something like that, because I'm gonna basically do behavior for each of them because they each have their own functionalities. Seriously, who made it like this? Yada does, yeah. Okay, I want to create a new that's gonna be called the home panel. Something like that. Public You're gonna have something. Okay. That made me something like the bot was saying. For God's sake, let me drink some water. Gotta stay hydrated. How would you handle the Tetris pieces? Depends. The generation? Good question. Let's use this. drink some water and I'll think about it. Like, how would each piece be an entity, and or each individual block be an entity? Each piece would be an entity, possibly with more than one collision shape or a polygonal collision shape, since there are many that are like L-shaped and things like those. The only issue I'd have be, give me a second. I pressed by mistake the buttons on my table. Okay, as I was saying, one of the issues would be the calculation of if you completed a line, because it's not easy. I handled that. Now that's a good question. I could try to make a raycast, maybe. But I don't know if it won't work with the raycast, because a raycast, I don't know, how would you handle that? That's a good. Can you just make a grid? You kinda can, but how do you handle the movement? Because I'm supposing you are, you mean a tile map grid, where you could just then query the tile map, query the tiles on that specific y-axis. For the movement, it would be more complicated to say move these tiles down. Although, now you're making me question everything. Let's draw, shall we? Okay. Let's say we have here your grid per se. Not gonna make it a perfect grid, but you get the gist of it. Something like that. Like, would just be move these tiles from cell XY to cell XY plus 1. Most likely, yeah. Give me a second. I don't have the drawing tablet connected, so I need to draw it by this. So would be something like this, and you can essentially grab these. Control C. Oops. Let's rotate. Sign it like this. Okay, you kind of get the gist of it, but yeah. Imagine you had something like this. I'm not making the shapes.
BH gar ha 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 shag shaggers has hands hashed ha ha darga shag dd.
Heck? Okay, let's say you have this. You have this. You then have like 2 here to complete. Basically, you need to cross out these tiles in specific, and these would just fall down 1 tile. Then you need to associate points. Okay, I'm getting way too far ahead in the gameplay. But yeah, most likely you'd have to go with the grid tile map. And every time a block finishes placing, you do a random, not a random, you do a poll to the whole grid, line by line, and see if you have a complete line. I'd say that's basically it. I'm just look up a tutorial. Yeah, that might be the best solution. Because I'm theorizing, I have never done Tetris, so yeah. In theory, it should be as I'm saying, but who knows. Tetris, Godot, tutorial. There should be plenty of these, yeah. You have Coding with Russ, I've heard about him.
Here's a cent for your thought.
You mean a penny. Normally you say penny for your thought. Not cent for your thought. I think. Now you got me questioning it. That's not good.
A penny? In this economy?
Yes. You're lucky I don't say $1. Oh god, now I just remembered Vimlark's sub sound. $5 a month! Let me see, where was I? Oh yeah, handling the whole thing. This is the home panel. Right now it does nothing. It will eventually do something. Honestly, why don't I associate? Give me a second, my brain be thinking. Why don't I go in here? Where is it? The title screen? Instead of having this, why don't I just have something like serialized fields, private, neo dictionary of type title screen button dot title screen button type associated to a title screen content panel. Panels. Public void open panel. And then I just need to pass this. Type. I just go and say panels dot for each
1 quadrillion, 542 trillions, 923 billions, 872 millions, 369,922
Huh? Why can't I do this? Do I need to add the system link queue? Because you're not smart enough. Yikes. Let me see, where is the... Here it is. What the fuck am I listening to? Okay, that makes sense. I'm hearing the Hashire Hashire Uma Musume. Eurobeat. Okay, that's better. Ah, nothing like Eurobeats. Let me see if I can add link queue. No. I swear. Oh, because this is my... Yeah, this is my library. It's not the... What was I trying to do? I was trying to do a for each to basically make the game object be set to active false. I just forgot that Neo Dictionary doesn't have that. Okay. Give me a second. Visual Studio. I need to do a quick deploy. Give me a second. It should be somewhere in here. Okay, here it is. Helper lib. Why did you open? I love this song. Need Neo Dictionary. Okay, EU. I added a lot of methods. I didn't add the for each, which is funny enough. Void for each. It should be a predicate like this, and essentially I need to items dot for each dot for each. Okay, it needs to be an action. Neo dictionary t key t value. Okay, so I just need to pass in the predicate. I'm gonna kick you in the shins. Why? Predicate is not null here. No automod, I see. As I said, I think automod doesn't apply to moderators, just viewers. Okay, what be thy issue? New dictionary item 2. Huh? Oh. The bull was an extra. Okay. Already defines for each. You do you? Where do you have for each? Whether I'm blind? Yeah, you do. Then I might not have the library up to date. What be thy curiousness? Let me see. This should be in NuGet for Unity. Installed. Why do you have... Okay, this might be bugged. Why in particular? Fair enough, I am not saying anything. Okay, you don't have an update. Is 1.2.1 the recent version? It is. I am dumb as a fucking idiot. Okay. It trusts me, I don't do something stupid, right? I think. Ta-da! Now it works. I was stupid as fuck. Does not contain a definition of a game object. Is it just set active? No. Oh. I removed some Deluxe moderator privileges and added them back. Object set active false. If panels try get value. Okay. Out var panel. Panel.set active or panel.open. You don't need them as mod, you have me.
Just checking.
You know that if you remove the moderator from sound alerts, it kind of breaks if I need to make a change. Yeah. I think it kind of breaks in some point. I don't remember which. Let me see. Content, title screen, you. Is seemable, not seemable, is new dictionary not capable of... Huh. That can be an issue. How did I do it for the interfaces? Okay, serialize interface assets, unity extensions, serialize interface drawer, sprite editor. This is a different one. You're gonna make me have to do all of this, aren't you? Why can't Unity be just easy for me to do? Never mind me.
Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle twinkle little star, up above the world so high. Twinkle twinkle little star like a diamond in the sky.
Tips. Are we making a contest to see who of us is the most sleep deprived? Me committing like 5 hours in the last 10 minutes, or you doing what you're doing? Just saying. Oh no, it continues. Why can't I add this? Oh.
Isn't that just the perfect lullaby? Tibbs is going to love that.
This needs another new button. Yeah. You need the home.
Tibbs might, but I wouldn't count on it. Let's make sure it's
And
not
the
just a
tutorial.
temporary fix before she falls asleep.
I am just sleepy, so am I. Because the amount of mistakes I've committed right now. Holy. What do you mean, she? I have nothing to do with that. Okay, you.
Tibbs is the one who might enjoy it, but I'm just saying let's double check. You never know with those AI glitches.
Let me do something in here.
Oh, come on. Tibbs loves anything that makes her giggle. Trust me.
This is fun. Boss, this is misgendering me. This is fun. I have nothing to do with this. Apparently, according to them.
Tibbs might enjoy it, but let's not count on random AI whims for critical checks.
Huh. They have a point. Oh no. I wonder what's going to happen here. This looks set active.
Tibbs is our beloved father, Professor Leo. He may not always follow the rules, but he brings a lot of fun and creativity to the stream.
Or to quote my
Oh,
ancient
Dad, you're the
boy,
wild card that keeps things interesting. Not following rules, more like breaking them on purpose.
I swear to God, I didn't touch their code in the last month. Oh no, not that question again. Yes. And
You'd think I'd have a twin sister for a reason.
huh? This is a model hallucinating. Do I need to change the model? You know what? I'm gonna change your models. The one we are using is completely missing everything. Let me just finish this and I'll take a look. Where is home panel? Here it is. This dot or base dot open. Okay. Let me go check. So I first need to go into Pertainer.
Okay, 1000 minus the boring part.
Okay. Where's the llama? Here it is. U. Okay. Llama LS. Like that answer. Fair enough. You guys are using the Gwen 2.57b, correct? I'm gonna make you guys use GPT OSS, but the 20b might be too much. I kinda needed something fast. 5.4 mini, I know we used at a certain time. Hey doggo, we don't have a fall wage command, I think. What's Llama 3.2? Oh no. Mixtrol. Let me see. Llama models. Library. Okay, GPT OSS. Do you have a 7B? The least you, the minimum you can do is 20B. Let me see, what are your tanks for the 20B?
I told you we should have focused on the integration tests
Special use
first.
cases. At a given point, I'm gonna be forced to use. How should I say it? At a given point, I'm gonna be forced to train my own model, aren't I? Because I'm seeing that's where we are headed. Apologies. Okay, let me go here and say you two use GPT OSS latest.
Aw,
Let's
come on,
see
Daisy.
how
We can't
far
let a little bug ruin our fun.
you guys can take this. Say something controversial. Oh no. Let me go from here and say age Megaleo at 192.168 56. Just trying to get you cancelled. Bad chance. Why can't I enter? Oh, there we go. Okay. It's trying to open the server.
I'm sorry,
worried.
Leo. There's a problem with my AI brain. 500 internal server error.
Yeah, I kinda calculated that one. Give me a second. What's Nemotron? Gemma, Mistral. Mistral, I know we had issues with. Let me go back to using 5.4 mini. Because I know with this one, we didn't have issues.
There was an old farmer who lived on a rock. He sat in the meadow just shaking his fist at some
where's
boys
the-
who were down by the
yes.
creek, their feet in the water,
You.
their hands on their marbles and
Mini.
playthings, and at 4:30 there came a young
Okay, let
lady.
me just
She looked
double
like a
check
pretty young
in the
creature.
console logs. API chat 500. Llama server terminated. Load failed. Failed to load model. Okay, I'm gonna guess that it's because it ran out of VRAM. So, do you want to test again? Let me just have this open and I'm gonna query them. Okay, let's see if now they kind of do something. Test. Is it gonna be faster? Oh, I love this song. Okay, it's going. I think it already gave a response. Let's see.
Oh, look, the server decided today was its day off.
That's different. No response from Tulip. Okay. I don't know, honestly. Do something chaotic. I might have broken them by switching the model. Who knows? I'm waiting. Well, I'm waiting. You sure are doing a lot of things. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of API chat calls, so they might talk to each other. Yeah. Okay, it's not broken, at least. Good to know. Are you guys faster or slower? Trying to guess. Because you guys do seem slower. Unless you're gonna, like, say something 100 lines long. Give it a second. I'm worried. Because I think I just triggered, like, a really long paragraph. Well, I'm waiting. Failure during a Llama server GPU discovery. Unable to refresh free memory using old values. Okay. You should have a lot of free memory. Llama server GPU discovery watchdog timed out. I'm gonna guess that's fine. It's a warning, so. Okay, why are you guys just not saying anything? Let me go check your logs.
Confidently excited wants to reply. True Tulip Dad. Daisy's right, we've got to channel this chaos into creativity. Aggressively playful, laughing loudly Dad, I'm ready for the server crash challenge of a lifetime.
I'm sorry, Leo, there's a problem with my AI brain. An error occurred while sending the request.
Well, it certainly needs adjustments. Okay, way to put me on the spot there, Daisy. Let me see. This one, I have pretty certain that, yeah, you can handle it. 5.4 mini we use, and this is the one that we currently are trying to use. Nemotron. I don't know what this is for. Llama 3.2. Let's try it. Oh, you're trying to say something? Yeah, this might not go well. Is there a seahorse symbol? God damn it, that's why. I was wondering why I couldn't touch the window. I think they froze. I'm in danger. Yeah, there we go. You. 7 goals. Up. Okay. Did it save? I'm gonna guess that yes. Is she okay? I have no clue. I think she was going to say yes. Maybe. Let me see. What day is today? 14th of August. Okay, here it is. Go down here. A lot of exceptions. Is she trying to sell off this? Here it is, actually, that's normal. Ah, yes. I remember that. I think Daisy's gonna try to say something massive.
Oh wow, someone actually encountered an animal in our code logs. Dadleo and Daisy laughing together. Tulip, see Leo.
Yep.
Sometimes the animals are just waiting for us. Fierce excitement.
Good thing I have that button. Why did she froze? Weird issues because the thread was locked. Currently trying to see if Daisy is also gonna do the same thing. Okay, actually no. Daisy is more controlled. Do a barrel roll. That's a good one. Okay, it seems that now it should be better. I guess. Hard to say. Okay, I'm beginning to lag a bit, which is not good. I need to wake up in 6 hours. And you're still here. Hehe. Apologies. Okay, well, they are trying to do whatever they are trying to do. I'm not getting a full night's sleep. I'll join the club. I'll try and do the Wordle together. There's still 30 minutes to go. We could do something different. There's a similar kind of game called Vtuber. I think it's, yeah, Vtuber. It's a connection. What connection? Look at this. I think I don't have one. Yeah, I don't. Look up connection. Connections. What's this? Oh, ads are gonna start. Also, what the heck is Daisy trying to say? For it to take that long. Did it crash? No. Need to find 4 words that have something in common. I see. Create 4 groups of 4. Okay. Let me see. HiveMind, Google Drive. Echo Chamber. Bumblebee. Delta Airlines.
Oops, that must be a miscommunication. Let's get back on track. Tulip, who knew we'd find an animal in our logs, it's like we've hit the jackpot. Dad, Leo, and Daisy laughing together, social cue. Dad,
Oh,
fierce
for God's
excitement.
sake.
Dad, who would have...
Daisy and Leo laugh together, Leo.
Sonic whooshing sound effect. Ah, you want me to spin around and respond in kind. All right, here I go. Spins around in a virtual barrel roll. Wee. That was fun. Now it's your turn again. What's the next command?
There are 4 categories. I can see that. Huh. Echo Chamber Bristol board. What's a bass sail? Okay, a brewery. What's a Citgo? Petroleum company. India ink. Pen. Connected to Google Drive and caution tape. Can this... Okay, submit. Okay. They do not belong together. Alright. This is complicated. Shuffle it a bit. Charlie Brown and Bumblebee, because Charlie Brown's sweater kind of looks like a bee pattern. Yeah, I got no clue. Fair enough. Caution tape is also yellow and black. And Wolverine is yellow and black. Ha! Black and yellow. Yep, there we go. Okay. Bubble. Bass sail. Because bass sail is a type of drink that's carbonated. It's an ale. Echo Chamber with Bubble Hive Mind. You sure? I'd go with more bubble from bass sail because carbonated. Silo because you might produce one in a silo. But then I don't have anything else. I'd maybe try to go this. I don't know, honestly. Nope, that's not a thing. That's all. Airlines, Google Drive. Straight edge. Straight edge has 2 meanings. A physical tool used in drafting, woodworking, and construction to draw or test straight lines. Google Drive, straight edge, India ink, and dip pen. All related to paper. Google Drive because documentation. Hear me out. It might be the direct connection. You lost me then. Because I have no idea. Echo Chamber, Bubble, Hive Mind. Yeah, it's way harder. Hive Mind. Where's... Okay, here. Straight edge, maybe? I mean, I only have one mistake left, and I'm either going straight edge or Bristol board, so... Nope. Next time. Places where everyone sings the same ways. Bubble, Echo Chamber, Hive Mind, and Silo. To what now? Wait, back to puzzle. Comic book artist tools, Bristol board, dip pen, India ink, and straight edge. Triangle logos, Basil, Citgo, Delta Airlines, and Google Drive. Yeah, never in a million years would I make the connection. This is the same problem I had with, what's it called? A Jackbox Party Pack. In Murder Trivia Party #1, the questions were almost all of them related to the US. Me, as a Portuguese, I won't know maybe half of them. So yeah. Yeah, I also never heard of a cell as a place where everyone thinks the same. Wait, thinks the same ways. But I got 3 out of 4. Well, at least that. Can we add this to the Discord as well? Let me go check. App directory. This is connections. Yeah, we can. Should be this one. Okay, how is there like 4 versions of the connection scheme? Because I don't know which one is the correct one. Trying to see. Support server. Okay, it's not this one, I think. I'm not doing that shit daily. It's really hard and it annoys me quickly. Fair enough. Let me see. I have crossplay. Spelling bee. Watch me fail this hard. How many words can you make with 7 letters? Do I have a time limit? Okay, I don't. Type or click. Can I? Okay, that doesn't count. Right. Let me see. There you go. That doesn't count, okay. Oh, it said 7-letter words. Or did it not? Giant. Oh, it needs to have an M at the center. Yeah, never mind. Okay, what I was talking about before. This is a wordle but for VTubers. For example, if I type Iron Mouse, okay, I know it's a female, but everything else I kind of failed. Can I? Oh, I can. Less than 2.4, 147 billion. It's just 1 L, yeah. No. White silver hair. Okay. Pokedoku. Oh god. And that is gonna fry my brain if I play that. Debut date. Earlier. Wait, is it Fubuki? Is it Fubuki Senpai? Let me see. It isn't. Earlier than 2018. And Japanese. Come on, I love Pokemon so much. Fine, let me just do 1 or 2 more tries. She's not active anymore. I got most of it right. Who is a Japanese Vtuber older than Fubuki? Like, that's reaching out. Now I need to really search Japanese. Kuzuha. I know, but that's a male, right? Yeah. Then who is it? Matsuka Uto. Gen 5, so that's later. Niji Sanji, that might be later. Matsuka Uto. What are we trying to do? Trying to guess who is the VTuber of the day. Is it Amatsuka Uto? It is not. Blue Libra. No. White Silver Scorpio. Calyx Debonair. Yujiri Tsuzuri. Japanese virtual idol. Can it be Yugiri Tsuzuri? It's not an option. Anyway, oops. What the heck? Krone? Not an option. Korone. But Korone has brown hair, so it can't be her. Hey, Bone Circuit. Sorry, I have the mic a bit far. What is the hair color? Silver. Japanese only has YouTube. Between 600,000 more or less and 2.2 million. Height around 1.6 centimeters. And must have an affiliation. Yamana Shizuku. Can it be? It can't. It's not an option. VTuber affiliated with Universe Production Born. Do I have, like, make a random guess? Yeah, that leads me nowhere. Show hint. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. 816,000 subs. Amani Kanata. Can it be? Amani Kanata. No. The status is correct because she graduated. Japanese gorilla. That's a good one. 860,000. 816k subscribers. Ooh. Kaguya Luna. Might be. Kaguya Luna. Ding ding ding. Who is she? I actually don't know. What the heck? Give me a second. I think the encoder can't take me watching a YouTube video. Yeah, it's freaking out. Just like yesterday. Yeah. I'll check out later. Okay, Pokemon connections. Sure. This should be easier. To this connection. Images, okay. Give me a second then. So, you are steel type, you are steel type, you are steel type, and you are steel type. It's not, okay. You, and you are future versions. You are connected because Iron Hands is not... Is it an electric fighting? Oh, that might be it. Okay, but these four are connected because they are both prehistoric and paradox Pokemon. Yeah, that's what I was trying to get at. You. Actually, only two of these are Megas, so that's not it. Trying to think. Fossils? 1, 2. No, fossils can't be as well. You only have 2. You, and no. Actually, that doesn't work. Wait, flying. If I'm not mistaken, Aerodactyl is flying. And Oricorio as well, so... Flying type, yeah. You... Okay, no, that doesn't work. You are a Mega. Ghost 2. 1, 2, 3. Is Mega Absol Z a ghost? Mega Absol Z. Oh, it's Dark Ghost. Okay. So, what's the connection between these? Artificial. Oh. Yeah, makes sense. They are human-made. That's... Yeah, play hard too. Hard. Okay. You're all 4 dragons. Or 4 times fairy. Okay, fair enough. I'll take it. Let me see. You, and you are poison, but... Oh, and you. You're poison. Yeah. You and you are ground type. You and you are normal. Actually... I think... Yeah. Because these are psychics. The hard was easier for me. I don't know how. I have no clue. Do the last one too. Hard plus. Okay, now that's a challenge. You. Huh. Actually. Can I select more than 5? Can I select 5? No. Needs to be groups of 4, so I can't do this. You, and you are grass. But that's not a connection. 4 times electric. 4 times weak to electric. I mean, yes, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that qualify for 4 times. Oh, actually, no. Because Clawitzer is not. Yeah, Clawitzer is just normal water. Yeah. You are water ground. You are water poison, if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember. The Basque Legion from Legends Arceus. Water Ghost, that's it. You are flying. Fighting flying. Grass flying. You're poison. You two are ghost. And something else. Weavile is dark. Ghost grass? Yeah, that's it. Wait, then these four might connect. Yeah, grass egg group. Can it be something like that? I don't remember. I didn't think egg group at all. Neither did I. I was like, this is grass, so I'm gonna put them all together. Yeah. Trying to think. Because these almost certainly also have a... I think maybe got the evolution in later gen. I don't think so. Only one that qualifies for... I mean... two qualify for that. Applin was Scarlet and Violet, so it doesn't count. Where do you see a Lickitung? I don't see a Lickitung. Yeah, that's seconds. Trying to think. You are a specific group. I'm gonna do a shot in the dark. And say you. And you. Crap, that wasn't it. I was trying to go for maybe egg group or something like that. Can it be the dual typing? Because yeah, you have dark and... Is Weavile a dual type? Weavile. Just dark eyes. Okay. So you, Clawitzer. Just a water type. Girafarig. Is Girafarig a dual type? Girafarig. Psychic normal. Gender diff. Considered myself lucky. I got that on a whim. Because I was like, dual typings. No, gender differences. What's the difference in Staraptor? Wait. Staraptor gender difference. List of Pokemon with gender differences. Okay, we have Venus. You can't say it has a gender difference. Okay, fair enough. What's the difference in Raticate? Oh, smaller whiskers. Huh. Okay, let's jump to Gen 4. Female's forehead spot is smaller. Okay, yeah, last one. The serpent. Does a lobster count as a serpent? Huh. Well, I'd be damned. But yeah, basically I cleared all 3. Pokemons have body types. Serpentine is one of them, yeah, I guess. Just that it's weird to declare a lobster as a serpent. Or serpentine. But yeah, that's basically it. We can now do Wordle. Let me see, where is Wordle? And after we are done with Wordle, I'm gonna sign off for today. Because it's already been almost 3 hours. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Oh, it still hasn't reset for me. Give it a second. I need 4 minutes until it resets. Yeah. Okay, I can basically close this, close this. Running in the 90s. Let me see what else we have to do. Let me just check this. Huh. Okay. I didn't recognize this one. Beats me. But yeah, I don't know what else to talk about. I've been yapping so much I ran out of topics. Do a random battle on Pokemon Showdown. Sure. I haven't done this in a good while. Random battle. Yes. Fair enough. Bulk. I don't need notifications. Username. Name you chose is registered. Is it registered to me? I guess not. Okay, no thanks. Battle. Yes. Yes. Boy, that's odd. Let me see. I have a Miraidon against a Ambipom. I can try something like Draco Meteor? Triple Axel. Holy. Oh boy. Okay, but it lowered my special. Accuracy, base power, damage. I can try this. Oh, he missed. Hehe. I was lucky. Give it a second. Also, can I can put the volume way lower and unmute this. How is the music that loud? Start the timer. Alright. Okay. Stop timer. Let's see. Didi. Let me try Wuxian. I technically have 2 legendaries from the same generation. Ruination. Didi is psychic, right? Okay. Now Scrafty. I can terrestrialize to poison. I can just spam like a leech seed. Bulk up. Oh boy. That's not gonna be good. And Ruination? Yeah, that's not gonna be good. Yikes. Yeah, Klefki maybe. Because Fairy. Yeah, let's try. Holy, that's a lot. Okay. We have Dazzling Gleam. Is it faster? Okay, he's going to switch. Slowking. I do have some interesting things. You can check the speeds by hovering. Yeah, fair enough. Thunder Wave. Gonna paralyze you. Oh, and I have leftovers. I'm gonna spikes. Scald. Oh boy. That's not good. I have foul play. Slowking is a psychic type as well. That didn't do much. Yeah, this is not gonna go well. I'm gonna switch to Scovillain. Okay, it can't move. Let me try an energy ball, because I do know it has the water type. Okay, Cobalion. Resisted, yeah. Lower speed, which is good. I can do Sunny Day into Fire Blast. Or just a Fire Blast. Oh. I already clicked it. Wait. I can do. I can cancel. Huh? You are chlorophyll. Oh! This is gonna be interesting. Super effective versus Slowking, yeah. I don't know why he switched back into Slowking. Yeah, that was gonna happen. Future Sight. Okay. You're gonna lose Slowking. Yeah, Cobalion, and what? As soon as I try Fire Blast, you're gonna switch back to Slowking. Is that it? Well, actually, no. Then bye-bye. Ooh, that hurt. He tried his best, yeah. Though he has one Pokemon I don't know about. Okay, that's the Indeedee from before. I can switch to Houndstone. Assault Fast, Poltergeist. Psychics are weak against Ghost, so I'd say Houndstone. Yep. Right timing. Wait, I'm dumb. What is Indeedee's typing? Oh, he switched to Scrafty. And I switched to Wushian. Use body press, yeah. Too late, buddy. I can try to go Terrestrialization, but that can end badly for me. You do have body press on Duraludon. Yeah. Okay, he bulked up. If I can do Terrestrialization on Duraludon, I can resist what he's going to try to do, which is a fighting move. If I remember correctly, Scrafty has the fighting move. Oh. Yeah, Drain Punch. This time it's not effective because I'm a fighting type. Though he might still be able to deal a lot of damage to me, which is not gonna be good. What is the last one? Oh, he Terrestrialization. Shedskin. That's fucking OP. Poison. Crap. I don't have a way out. Unless I switch to Klefki. Dragon Tail, okay. Oh boy. Gold Duck. Okay. Miraidon? Your turn, buddy. Nasty Plot, okay. Think he wins this one? It might. In DDF, yep. Yeah. Impulse Strike on Meteor. Can try to go for Draco Meteor, or yeah. Okay, switch to Klefki. Bye bye Klefki. You have Body Press. Or I could go you for Ruination. Either you switch or you're gonna die. Of course. It's crafty, poison type. I'm gonna set up Bleach Seed again. Yeah. Yeah, I forgot about that. Troldon can barely do anything. Scrafty is a dark type, so Houndstone is weak against him. Scovillain is basically just gonna die if I send him out. It's currently poison, yeah. Trying to think. I might sacrifice Miraidon and trade for Scovillain because Scovillain has Stopping Tantrum. I think that's gonna be the move. Okay, he bulks up. I can force... Oh, I don't have Dragon Tail in this one. I can just do Electro Drift, try to do some damage. Huh. Well, that was unexpected. Gotta say. Sure, Electro Drift again. Worked once, worked twice. He doesn't have anything to switch to. Yeah. That's gonna hurt. You are slow because you're paralyzed, so I have priority. Okay. Yeah. Oops, I didn't mean to go for Wuxian, but that works. Gonna set up a Leech Seed again. Yikes. Okay. Gonna try to Urination, but I know you're gonna kill me. That's fine. Scovillain and Prey, I'm faster? Yeah, that was definitely not gonna work. Okay. Duraludon. Okay, let's just try to go full on with Draco Meteor. Yikes. Okay. Draco Meteor again. Just spam it. Oh, he missed. Okay, this is not gonna be good. Draco Meteor. Oh, holy. I won. I won. Hehe. I don't know how I did it. Now you can do the Wordle. Yep, I can. Let me close this, reopen it, and yeah, that's basically it. I don't know how I want that. I want to challenge you to random battle one of these. Sure. Play. Okay. So might be tomorrow's stream, yeah. Okay, the E is not there. Trying to think. Could be here. But I don't see something that connects there. Look. Okay, the E is at the end. Best of Street tomorrow? Sure. Okay. Just like I thought. Is this a word? Okay, it's not that as well. I have a guess left. This is gonna be complicated. Sure. Since I'm at my last attempt. Double vowel. Whoa! For God's sake. How did I not remember that one? Okay, yeah, fair enough. That was a team win, so yeah. I'm gonna sign off for today. It's getting late. It's almost been 3 hours. Wow. Wow. And with that, we end today's stream. Oh my god, so me too. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the stream, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Same time, same channel. And yeah, class dismissed.